Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys another really cool off-road trailer we have in stock. This one's a 2019 7x16 off-road trailer in a matte black with a blackout package. So you've got an all blacked out trailer and the matte black exterior. This one's got a ton of goodies on it. It's loaded up. You do have the diamond plate rock guard along the bottom, diamond plate corners there for great rock protection, extended triple tube tongue, generator platform, side swivel jack, and a heavy duty removable front coupler. This one's stock number 14859. Side door does have a window in it. It is a slider window with a screen. You do have double lock protection with an RV lock and cam bar, and you also have a gutter. And then great exterior lighting as well on this unit. You've got two of the LED party lights here, plus a spot. So lots of different options. You guys have switches for both of those so you can control that. And if you guys want to hang out, these are great because you can haul toys in here. They're insulated with windows, AC, and power. You can camp in them. It's a very versatile unit for you guys. You do have an exterior GFI outlet right here. Two 3,500-pound torsion axles, brakes on all fours, black American racing wheels, 32-inch Mudterrain tires, and a black diamond plate fender. You're gonna have somewhere between 19 and 20 inches worth of ground clearance with this unit. I haven't measured it, but that's usually what they come in at. So you guys do have the, again, additional ground clearance to get off-road, really have some fun. Plus they look amazing. You do have an aluminum roof rack with ladder right there, so you have some exterior storage space up there, great for kayaks, big bulky items. People are also doing tents and all kinds of stuff up there. Drop down stabilizer jacks underneath the back. Rear ramp door does have a spring assist close on it. And then I'm gonna come around and show you guys this side of the trailer, try and get you a better shot of that roof rack, and then we'll go inside. Again, they're amazing looking, great trailers. And roof rack, there it is. Trying to get out of the sun for you. 7-foot interior height, so good for UTVs, side by sides, things that need extra interior height. And it's nice to be able to stand up inside. And then you've got the awesome Nudo floor with Maxx. That's this here. This is a great performance floor. It's super, super durable. Underneath is a product called Maxx. Maxx does not absorb the water or the moisture. And that's what's on the underneath side of the trailer as well. So for longevity purposes, it's great. I tell everybody it's worth its weight in gold because it's gonna last a lot longer than your standard wood floor. 4 D-rings in the floor. You got 2 here in the back, 2 more up front. E-track in the walls. E-track's another very versatile feature. Gives you guys some tie down points. You can also build bunks and beds and all kinds of cool stuff off of it. So lots of options out there. You do have a rear load light, spotlight, and you've got a switch right there for that. So you can drop this ramp and immediately get load light. Insulated walls, insulated ceiling, white aluminum wall and ceiling liner. 2 of the slider windows with screens. They're tinted, they're lockable, very versatile there as well. 4 interior pucks. You've got 2 on each side. And then you've got 2 4-foot LEDs across the top, so great interior lighting options. Looks like 4 interior outlets. You've got 1 here in the back, 3 up here in the front. And then great bonus with this unit, does have a battery with a battery charger. I love that we're doing batteries in trailers. They're great because they run your interior and exterior lighting, anything that's 12 volt in the trailer, with that battery. So you no longer have to be plugged into your vehicle to get light. So if you guys want to pull this thing wherever you're going to pull it, unload your toys, unhook your vehicle, and you're going to camp out, it gives you light without having to run a generator or again be plugged into your vehicle. Now you also have 30 amp service, which is this right here. You take this cord, pop it right through the floor, go into your generator, you can plug it into an extension cord, whatever. That's gonna power up your interior outlets. It's also gonna run your AC unit with a heat strip right there. It's also gonna run your 4-foot LEDs across the top here. So again, lots of different power options, lots of different lighting options, and that's what it's all about. Try and give you guys options to do what you wanna do and have some fun. Now, these light switches right here are gonna control, obviously, all your lighting. And then there's a better shot of that window and RV lock. We'll have a lock-a-latch and a set of keys. So here it is. We are the exclusive home of the off-road trailer. We're located in beautiful Castle Rock, Colorado. We have shipping options available, so if you don't live near us, it's okay. We ship these all over the country all the time. Give us a call, we'll get you a quote. It's a very simple, easy process. And as always, we'd love to earn your business. Now we do have this unit on sale through the end of the year. Crazy, it's almost the end of the year. It was at $15,900 and we've got the off-roads for year-end clearance inventory sale on sale at $15,577 plus tax. Prices do go up after the first of the year, and snatch it up while you can. Give us a call, 303-688-8485, or view our inventory online at coloradotrailersinc.com.